my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know that I can. So baby, please don't let me blow. Baby, please don't let me blow. You can't do this, but I know that I can. You gotta do this from the heart. You won't do this, you won't start. I just gotta play the cards in my hand.
What's going on, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Today is finally the day where we make this baby loud again. So I know a bunch of you guys, man, have been wanting me to, make the car loud again. And honestly, after I put the boiler stingers on, it was cool for a little bit, but then, I just can't hear the cams anymore. And it sucks because I love the way the cams used to sound with the SLPs, but today we are going to change that. So yeah, man, I'm kind of in a hurry. That's why I started it in the car today. We only got like 30 minutes to get over there. I'm not sure if they're gonna get me in or not because they close at 5. It's currently like 4:30, so we're gonna try to go over there right now, see if my boy Lance can hook us up. And yeah, man, I'll show you guys exactly what we're doing. All right, baby, we here. Let's go check them out. What's going on, man?
Oh shit.
How you been? You guys got time, or you guys gonna close at 5?
We're gonna close. What would you need?
I wanted to cut the exhaust off.
Just cut it off and leave it off?
I wanted to do some dumps, some turn downs at the axle.
Yeah, we probably ought to make it another time because I got a big job on a Dodge. I gotta.
Oh yeah.
You gotta show up. I gotta have it.
Yeah, man. I figured. Yeah, we're already close to 5. I figured I'd just stop by.
But yeah, we can definitely do it.
Alrighty. Yeah, I got work tomorrow, but I'm gonna be off for 4 days, so I'll probably be back in a couple of days. I'll stop by on one of my off days.
Yeah, that'll work.
But yeah, man. Sadly, couldn't do it today. The boys are slammed over here. You guys can tell. All 3 lifts, which it's already like next to beam 5. So sad day, but we'll be back. I kind of want to just take this thing home and just sawzall it off myself, but I don't want these things hanging. So we'll be back when I come back, I guess.
Day 2.
Fat boys are hanging off a little bit. Yeah, I don't daily this thing anymore. I just take it off, on fun trips or whatever. So
You just want to take them off and dump them?
yeah. Do you have turn downs?
Well, I can make them.
Cause I don't want to just leave them sticking out and like just throwing it all over the gas tank.
Right. Yeah.
So probably I was thinking like right where the mufflers are themselves, right?
Right.
Put some turn downs right there.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, you mean? Then you come back here and.
Yeah. Because I don't know if they're gonna hang, without the hanger.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll figure it out, but. Like I said, we're gonna try to cut these off like about right here, because you guys are quick to get the stuff off of my car. So after we get the car off the lift and it's all done, I'm gonna go get the truck and we're gonna go pick up my tailpipes, because I don't know if I'm gonna like the dump look forever. I might want to put tips back on it, so I'm just gonna keep these in my backyard or something. And yeah, man, can't wait to hear what this sounds like. About to be done. It's gonna be freaking loud. Awesome. who said mod motors don't chop, baby? Alright guys, I wanted loud, and loud is literally what I got. Check this out, this is second gear. I'm terrified right now to try the two-step. I'm terrified. I haven't revved it past 3,000. Alright man, we're gonna give it a little two-step right now. I should have done this a long time ago. And it sounds nasty, guys, camming. But let's put some AC on real quick, roll the windows up, and hear how loud the drown is. Okay. I'm going 50 right now, and it's honestly not that bad. I thought it'd be a lot worse. But even with the tips on there, it was still drony because, man, look, I have no interior. So yeah, man, it's not that bad. It's definitely doable. Like I said, it's not, I don't know, my dad was just bitching at me right now because he's like, bro, why would you do that? It's gonna be so loud when you cut the mufflers off and everything. I don't drive the car out of town. I don't take it on long road trips. It's on slicks all the time. It doesn't have a street setup, and you know, it's just when I take it out, I just take it out to have fun, race it, or you know, take it to the track. And you know, what better way to make the car loud and sound badass than just to do turn downs and straight pipe. So let's do a little pull real quick. Bro, no way! Okay, it's pretty obnoxious, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, man, I'm satisfied with it. I like it. Some of you guys might have said I ruined the car, but I don't know, man. It sounds pretty gnarly. Like this shit is going to scream at the track. So yeah, man. Once I get past this red light right here, I'll do a little pull, I guess. It'll be loud as hell. I wouldn't be surprised if I actually get stopped. Here in Texas, they don't really care about exhaust, but this exhaust might get me pulled over. I like how deep it is too with the H pipe. It sounds pretty good. These people pass real quick. 1, 2, 3. Guys. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, boys. What did we do? What did we just do? Alright guys, I came to my normal spot where I usually film my my exhaust videos, and I guess it's been this long. We're finally building houses and stuff over there, and kind of got over here as far as I could, as we're gonna make some noise. I like the tipless exhaust look. And I'm gonna be honest, guys, just driving back from the muffler shop though, I think we might have made it a little bit too loud, but it sounds badass, so camming, I'll tell you that much. I'm getting my tune finalized on Sunday, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna film that for you guys. And I think I'm idling still a little bit too high, so I might tell my tuner to, you know, turn the idle down a little bit. But I'm gonna give you guys a couple of revs, get on the two-step, and now let me know if I fucked up or not, guys. This thing is it's pretty damn loud. Check it out. Oh my god, guys, this shit just went straight track car on me. Oh my god, that is insane, guys. You guys can see the dumps down there. And I know some of you guys are gonna say, man, those dumps look hella ratchet. Well, you know, they were made from scratch and they look kind of, you know, ugly. But I could also like jack up the car and I could buff them down and stuff and make them look really nice. But, you know, I just told him, you know, use whatever you got laying around and, you know, it doesn't matter. He really hooked me up on this, guys. Like under $100 hooked me up. So yeah, man, I just wanted to do this, you know, as a fun little video. And honestly, just for my ears alone, because I've never heard this. This is long tube headers, H-pipe, off-road H-pipe, just literally dumped off the H. This is literally insane. Like, this is as loud as it gets besides open header. And it sounds badass, man. God, I can't get enough of it. Alright guys, let me know what you guys think. I'm really curious about what you guys think on this one. Thank y'all so much, man, for rocking with me. Like I said, we're gonna be finalizing the tune Sunday. 150 shot is a go, and then we should be heading to the track. We might get some runs in with some Corpus cars here. But yeah, man, if you guys like the car, is this your first time viewing, please consider hitting that subscribe button, hit that like button, guys. Thank y'all so much, you know, for all the continued support. I love you guys so much. It's your boy 4.6Chris, man. See y'all later. And look, a mod motor can chop, man. Stage 1 cams. Golly. It looks pretty damn good without no tips on it, I must admit. But like I said, man, see you guys on the next video. Peace.